In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export LinkedIn lists and profiles to a CSV file. This process is incredibly useful if you're looking to organize your network or analyze your connections in a format that's easy to read and manipulate. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to linkedin.com. If it's been a while since your last visit, now might be a good time to reacquaint yourself with the site. Once there, you'll need to log in. Whether you prefer using Google or Microsoft accounts or you opt for the good old email and password combination, LinkedIn accommodates various sign-in options to suit your preferences. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, as many of us do to secure our accounts, be prepared to verify your identity with a code sent to your phone. It's a simple yet vital step for keeping your information secure. Now, once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the LinkedIn homepage. That's where your avatar picture resides. Go ahead and click on it. This action takes you to your personal LinkedIn profile, where you can manage all things related to your account. Once there, navigate to the View Profile option and give that a click as well. As you find yourself on your profile page, look towards the left pane. Here, you'll notice an option labeled Data Privacy. Clicking on this will reveal various sections about how LinkedIn manages your data. Be on the lookout for the How LinkedIn Uses Your Data section. It's here you'll find a link to get a copy of your data. Click on it, and you'll be one step closer to securing that CSV file. Within this section, you'll see an option that asks, "Want something in particular?" This part is crucial as it allows you to select specifically which data you want to download. Take a moment to carefully tick the checkboxes according to the data you need. Feel free to explore the options available to ensure you're getting exactly what you require. When you're ready and have made your selections, click on the Request Archive button. This lets LinkedIn know you're ready to receive your data collection. Once this request is processed, LinkedIn will send a confirmation email to your primary email address. Within this email, you'll find a link to download your list of connections in a CSV format. It's that simple. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through LinkedIn settings to export your lists and profiles with ease. This straightforward process helps you keep track of your connections and analyze your network effectively. Whether you're a professional recruiter, job seeker, or just someone who wants to maintain a well-organized contact list, you'll find this CSV file invaluable. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.